Hello guys, welcome back to Academic Technology channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your regular bank transfer, your regular Nigerian bank, bank transfer to pay for Facebook ads. So Facebook have made it easy for you for now normal transfer, and you get credited on your Facebook account. If you're a small business owner that is struggling to pay for Facebook ads, so normally we use a PayU as the only option, but now it's becoming sweeter, right? Technology is evolving. So now let us open our Facebook page and show us practical how you are going to use bank transfer to pay for ads. Look at my Facebook page, click on see more, then I see ads manager. So let me open ads manager. My ad manager is loading. So after loading, uh, it's saying Chukuma, but this is not the account I actually wanted to credit because I want to credit in Naira. So I have other account. I'll just choose our Academic Technology account. But if that is the account you wanted to credit, it's fine. But that's not the account I wanted to credit. Yeah. So this is our Academic payment, right? Because I want to credit our Academic Technology. So I'll just click on billing and payment. So once I click on billing and payment, it's loading. I have balance of 7,000 and I want to add funds. I'll click on add funds. So look at this option, pay by bank transfer. Look at this option, pay by bank transfer. Let me assume that I want to transfer 5,000 naira. Alright, remember I have 7,653 as balance. So me, I want to transfer 5,000 naira and I choose pay by bank transfer. So once I choose pay by bank transfer, I'll click next. So it will request for my mobile number and I'll give it my mobile number. This is my mobile number and I'll continue. So look, it has given me a virtual account that I'm supposed to transfer to. It's a Paga account. So I'll just make transfer to this particular account. Right? So with my mobile phone, I am transferring to this account now. So now it showed me Facebook ads. That's the beneficiary name. And I'll put the amount I wanted. That is 5,000. And I'll click proceed. So I've actually done my transfer and it's successful, right? It's successful and has been deducted. Let me show you my transfer receipt. Are you watching it? The transfer has done and it's successful. Look, I've funded my Facebook account. Look, I have 7,000 before, now it's 12,000. So guys, it cannot be more easier than this. It cannot be more easier than this. I am telling you. You can now go further to fund your Facebook account using regular bank transfer. It cannot be easier than this. Thank you very much. I hope you are able to I hope you are able to enjoy this video. Please kindly share this video. Subscribe to our Academic Technology channel. Here we talk about tech, business, and whatever that is going to put food on your table using tech. Thank you.